Good day to all of you. Kapag gusto nyo umawit na may kasamang lyrics at ayaw nyo yung mga existing video na nasa YouTube, you just go to this, puntahan nyo to, and then paste nyo lang YouTube lyrics extension, real-time sync lyrics, and then press the enter key, and then click this. Oh my god, na-record ko ba? Yeah. And then add to Chrome. And then add extension. And then click nyo lang to. And you are ready to go. Click nyo yung icon to. Extensions. And then click this. And then show lyrics now. And then click outside. Eto na siya. So automatically, habang kumakanta kayo, meron ng lyrics. So hindi ko na siya tines kasi meron tayo copyright strike kay TikTok. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye-bye.